This is the LightLink HDMI cable. It's an active optical HDMI cable. The video information is transmitted over fiber optic cables with zero loss at the speed of light. The heads of the cable convert incoming electrical signals into optical on one end and back into electrical on the other end instantly and with no perceptible latency. The copper cables bundled with the fiber optic cables are used for non-video information, like 5-volt power, hot plug data, and grounding. The fibers themselves are protected by various layers of insulation to prevent damage. The LightLink delivers the highest quality 4K picture at distances up to 330 feet without the need for any boosters or repeaters. Click on the links to learn more. LightLink by Sewell.